Yeah, hello everyone. Namaste. A very good evening. Welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online Platform. Today, we are excited to present another inspiring success story from GATE 2026. So, we have with us Mr. Harshit, who secured an excellent All India rank 67th in Electronics and Communication Engineering. His disciplined preparation throughout the classroom coaching and consistent practice is seriously motivating for every GATE aspirant. So, let's get into his successful journey. So, hi Harshit, how are you?
I am doing good, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine, dear. Thank you so much, and congratulations on your great achievement. So, let's begin your journey. Harshit, if you don't mind, can you please introduce yourself and please tell us when your great preparation seriously started?
Yes, sir. I my journey started when I graduated 2025 from NIT Kurukshetra, sir. I have a job in my hand for 8.5 LPA. It's a software company, but somewhere in my head it's going like I'm doing fine, but it's not my. It's what I think I want to be in the future. So finally, when I decided it's like March or April of the month I decided to give GATE, sir. So it's pretty late at that time, and I'm not getting what to do. So after I got to know about the ACE Academy, about my preparation, and started
Okay,
from there.
right. So, wonderful, Harshit. Right. So, Harshit, can you please share your preparation journey? I mean to say, how did you move from basics to achieving this top rank?
Yes, sir. Uh, when joining the classroom, when joining the classroom, every teacher used to teach from basic to advanced level, sir. Like when the class started, they use it to teach every basic. So I just use it to listen good in the class. So I grasp the fundamentals, and I get to know how to interlink the concepts, sir. It is the main. It is the main thing how we need to prepare, and teachers also give to use it to give in clues between lessons, like this is interconnected to this one, like nlog and ddc somewhere in the operating regions, and we will get to know ideas or how everything is interconnected. After that, my main preparation is last 4 months. uh,
Okay, last 4 months.
yes, sir.
Mhm.
Starting everything will be good, sir, but the last 4 months are very important, as
Correct.
you need to be consistent, not like work hard for a few months and leave it off. You need to be consistent, and coming to last, you will get used to it. So in last 4 months, I use it to revise and write short notes, sir. So my
Mhm.
memory at that time used to be good, and I will remember the key concepts. And I use it to write practice test series, which is also very important, sir, because in GATE exam, what I have observed is knowing the concept and doing it in a right time is very important, sir. We need to control our nerves. So writing the test series become very important aspect, as it gave me how to crack the pattern, sir. Like this much time I need to invest up to these many questions, and like that, sir. While writing, I used to get to know it, and finally, I got a confidence that in 3 hours time, I could give a good attempt.
Wonderful, dear. Wonderful, wonderful. So, you are a part of ACE Engineering Academy classroom coaching for GATE 2026, right?
Yes, sir.
So, how did the classroom learning help you compared to other methods?
Sir, one very important thing is GATE syllabus is very vast, sir. If
Mm.
we want to prepare on our own, it will take too much of the time. Rather than doing that, in ACE Academy, professors know what to teach, like how much syllabus is required.
Right.
Because if we want to cover everything, it's not efficient enough, sir. Means like in terms of time, it will take more time, and we don't know exactly what to prepare. So teachers help me to exactly get the correct amount of syllabus what I need to prepare, and it is also in a good manner, like building from basics to advanced. So everything became easy there, sir. Like many people use it to say communication, EDC or EMTL would be hard. But if we learn in a correct way and go from basic, everything will be interlinked and easy to learn, sir. So learning a subject in 14 to 15 days, that too in a correct manner, is very important. So very much time efficient and good learning ways, sir.
Wonderful, dear, wonderful. Actually, which subjects played a major role in your success? What are, I mean to say, where there are any subjects where, there is a big difference you have seen from BTech with the GATE?
Yes, sir. Like, I used to also think that analog electronics and EDC are very tough, sir. While learning uh, in our college, we used to refer to a book, and we need to understand the author of the book, sir. But at that level, I think it's not that we are not in a exact uh, mind to learn it, sir. So hearing that from professors is it a different part, sir, like yes, academy instructors. So they will teach us the flow, how to go and how compare the methods, sir. Like that. So that's the major things I use.
That's nice to hear, dear. Nice to hear. So, what was your daily study plan, dear?
So I joined at starting of the August, sir. So it used to uh, what I done is when classes are happening like morning to afternoon, I
Hmm.
used to do for the topics over till then for the same subject. I used it to solve previous year questions, sir, and that means I tried to solve as many questions as possible and refer to the concept, sir. Like means I want to connect the concept to my mind, why this is happening and how it happens. So like
Hmm.
that, when classes are completed, then our preparation stage starts. I exactly got 2 months for that preparation, sir. So I divided the time in like last 20 days separate. Remaining days I use it to like 5 or 4 days. I use it to revise the topic and write a short notes on it. And mornings I use it to give short tests, like 40 minutes. There will be short tests on topics you have read in test series. So I use it to give it.
Okay.
And last 20 days I used to give full length mock tests. Uh,
Mock
yeah,
test. So, test series is very important,
very important, sir. Like if you want to have an
right?
idea, I even after giving test series, I have still seen some difference giving in main exams, sir. Like uh, our our mentality at the time would I can solve this, but time is not enough. Like we can't go beyond
Correct.
1 or 2 attempts for a question, sir. So time management is
Hmm.
very important in the final exam. So test series is very major.
Okay. Actually, what subjects you felt difficult in GATE 2026 exam after seeing the question paper?
After seeing the question paper, maybe uh, signals and systems somewhat they have asked the
Okay.
logical lesson. Communication there is also difficult, but I scored pretty well in it. So uh,
Okay.
maybe my preparation is good at that time, but
Hmm.
communication also somewhat difficult, sir. And maybe EMFT one or two logical questions, but leaving that it is easy to score. So like,
Okay.
and this time mathematics also they were somewhat time taking. Generally, we don't use it to see that in previous years, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Actually, how you want to use this code here? You want to go with the post graduation programs or government jobs?
Uh, Even if I want to go to government job, first I want to complete my PG, sir,
Post
because
graduation, right?
yes, sir, it's very important to study any specialization and get to know in-depth topics, sir. It may be I don't know
Nice.
right now, but I am getting the idea that it may be useful in the future if we do
Okay. Which
study.
program you're planning, dear? Which course?
I was
Specialized course?
Yes, sir. I was planning to go to VLSA domain, sir.
VLSI, right? Wonderful, wonderful. So, actually, I'm expecting some advice from you to your juniors, GATE 2027 and 28 aspirants.
Yes, sir. My advice is very this like many people used to feel that time is not enough, but time is always enough, sir. We need to be consistent and prepare what is required, sir. We need
Right,
to,
right.
if we follow an instructor, don't refer to another materials. Means follow him correctly, and until gate, you need to be very consistent in what you are doing, sir. So it will always give a good result.
Wonderful, dear. Wonderful. So, right. So, thank you so much, Harshit, for sharing your valuable experience. So, your dedication and consistency are truly inspiring, and your journey will definitely motivate many students. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations on your excellent achievement. We wish you a great success in your future. Best wishes, dear. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.